is definitely a hair goal. Hair transformation by Create Salon. Hi besties! I knew that I needed a hair reset. Not just for my upcoming trip, but really for a change. And of course, I only trust a salon I know and I love. Today, I am here at Create Salon Cainta Junction Branch. Look at my hair before. Super dry, frizzy, and honestly, sobrang haba na talaga. That's why I decided to go for a hair color, new keratin treatment, and of course, a haircut. What I really love about Create Salon is how accommodating and attentive their staffs are. They took time to explain everything, every step, and listen to what I wanted, and made sure I was comfortable enough for the whole procedure time. And look at this. After the treatment, buhay na ulit yung hair ko. It's softer, smoother, shinier, and sobrang gaan na talaga sa feeling. From dry and frizzy, naging healthy looking na ulit siya. And honestly, the new hair suits me so well. This experience reminded me how important it is to invest in your hair and choose your salon you can really trust. That's why if you're looking for a place na hindi lang maganda ang result, pero maganda rin ang overall experience, I highly recommend Create Salon Cainta Junction Branch.